Hi, I'm Phil from Packhelp, and I'm here to talk to you today about an unboxing experience and using it as a marketing strategy. Think back to when you were a kid. Think back to when you were a kid on Christmas. Waking up really early and running to go find the gifts under the Christmas tree, the colourful presents that are so elegantly wrapped, and as you sit there and you tear them apart, it's absolute thrills and excitement and exhilaration that's going through your body. It is absolute bliss. Now, today, as an adult, you still get that same feeling when you come home and see a package on your doorstep. Even when you know exactly what it is you're getting, there's still that level of excitement and bliss when you're unboxing it. And if you are an e-commerce brand, leveraging this emotional response is a really great way to leave a positive, lasting impression in the mind of your customers when they're most receptive. An e-commerce brand, the first physical touch point between your business and your customer is when they receive your package in the mail. Therefore, it's really important that you leave a lasting, positive first impression. The first step to designing an unboxing experience is to use custom packaging. That's because it's your box that is the stage that presents your product to the world when it is being opened. The next part of an unboxing experience is what's inside the box, and that's not just your product. Printing inside your box adds a level of luxury and a little touch of elegance. It's also a great way to say thank you and maybe keep a hidden message in there that only your customers will read. A simple thank you note, whether it's printed or handwritten, is also a really great way to add to your unboxing experience. A thank you note empowers your customer and makes them feel like they now own a product that's had a lot of time and energy and love put into its development. You also need to create an unboxing experience not just for your customer, but also because there's every chance that your product may be front and center in an unboxing video. Consumers nowadays rely heavily on reviews of products before they buy them. Combine this fact with the fact that YouTube is the second most popular search engine in the world, and you can see the role that unboxing videos play in forming an opinion about a product before someone buys that product. So if your product is going to end up in an unboxing video, it's really important that your unboxing experience is absolutely flawless. Many people believe that an unboxing experience is a waste of resources and materials. And while that's true, it is very easy to go overboard with an unboxing experience. An unboxing experience is not about adding more. A good unboxing experience is simply delivering more value to your customer than they anticipate. It's about delivering more value in accordance to your morals and your brand's values. Good unboxing experience may be adding stickers and discount vouchers and void filler and other freebies into the box. A good unboxing experience may be something as simple as saying thanks and putting that inside the box. Ultimately, a good unboxing experience leaves your customer feeling like they got a lot more than they thought they would. There's so much more to the world of an unboxing experience than what's in this video. If you'd like to learn more about creating an unboxing experience for your brand, check out the link to the blog that we've written in our description.